watching Telecom TV's exclusive coverage of the Wi-Fi Global Congress from London. And I'm joined now by Steve Shaw, who is VP Marketing with Accuris Networks. Steve, thanks for talking to us on Telecom TV.
Thank you very much for the invite.
First thing I'd like to ask you, Steve, is what do you say are the main challenges that are facing the Wi-Fi industry in particular at this moment?
Well, the Wi-Fi industry has taken off like gangbusters, as we know. Billions of devices created, the market's going great. I think the real challenge now for the mobile industry particularly is how do we harness all of this capacity and all of this bandwidth that's available in Wi-Fi and really make it a seamless experience for the user in a mobile experience, in a mobile environment.
We talk increasingly now about the coexistence of cellular and this encroachment of cellular, the licensed and unlicensed spectrum coexistence. What impact is that going to have on the Wi-Fi providers?
Well, I think it's a huge opportunity. You've got a Wi-Fi footprint. Mobile operators are looking for a way to integrate that footprint in. If we can turn Wi-Fi into much closer to a cellular experience, a mobile experience with protected authentication, SIM-based authentication, the same sort of security and trusted aspects that we get from mobile, and we provide that same sort of billing infrastructure that allows people to monetize that Wi-Fi infrastructure, I think the future is very bright for Wi-Fi providers and for mobile providers being able to partner with them.
Is that what the Wi-Fi providers want? They want to provide more cellular-like services, and is that what users want? Because Wi-Fi's got this identity, hasn't it? It is separate to cellular, and it's used differently.
It is, absolutely, absolutely. I don't think, at the consumer level, I don't think people really care that much, honestly. I think they want access to the mobile internet wherever they are, whenever they are. You see that now on planes and literally everywhere we go, there's connectivity. Whether it's Wi-Fi or LTE, I think the subscriber wants it behind the scenes and just give me access to Facebook or the videos that I want to watch. And I think as an industry, that's our challenge, is to be able to make that happen in the background so that it's as simple as possible for people to use.
So how do we do that? How do we make Wi-Fi more cellular-like, and what is Accuris in particular doing to support that?
Well, the WBA has been a tremendous champion in trying to promote these standards and specifications. The next generation hotspot activities, hotspot 2.0 activities, some new technology around billing records and settlement systems called WRIX, the Wireless Internet Exchange Protocol for actually managing settlement and billing issues. The WBA has really championed a lot of these things and I think, has that vision of working with the GSMA to make Wi-Fi sort of an adjunct to the mobile network.
And I understand that Accuris has launched a new service, a new product this week,
yes,
coincide with the show, around cloud-based billing and mediation.
Exactly. So Accuris, of course, been around for many years. A very strong technical company in connecting networks is now adding on to that product with a new billing and settlement system that will allow service providers to really monetize their Wi-Fi infrastructure and to begin to build what we call Wi-Fi hubs, where Wi-Fi providers can all come together and sort of pool their resources and be able to go to different markets around the world and say, hey, when your customers come to my network, I can ensure roaming and a fair trade settlement between our network and your network for your subscribers.
Okay, has this happened yet? Are we seeing these Wi-Fi hubs, or is this something for the future?
It's happening now. In fact, we made an announcement last year with AT&T. We've done some work with China Mobile International, Vivo down in Brazil. A lot of good things going on out there, and I think you're just going to hear more about that at the show today.
And finally, Steve, what should the WBA do? The WBA does an awful lot to support and promote the industry. What does it need to do as this industry evolves and develops and matures?
I think continue to support. I think the vision is correct. I think the direction is set. I think as an organization, as a group of companies, we've all come together to really put the best foot forward to make Wi-Fi really as integrated with the mobile network as possible.
Great. Steve, thanks for talking with us.
Thank you very much.